guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how I colored my hair at home. This was my first time doing it at home, so I had no idea what I was doing. All I knew is that I had to get my hair to all be one color. So as you can see in this clip, I'm just showing you how outgrown my roots really were. You can clearly see the color is like halfway down the length of my hair, and it just looked disgusting. So follow along with this video and I hope you enjoy it. Also, I did allow my hair to get a little bit dirty. As you can see, it is quite oily, and this does help the color attach to the hair quicker when coloring at home. So today I'm going to be using the Garnier Nutrice in dark brown. First up, what you want to do is use a petroleum jelly and smother this around your hairline, and this will just help the color not stick to your skin. I'm just using our Vaseline Blue Seal that we had at home, and I'm rubbing this quite thickly around my hairline, and you want to make sure you go right around your head, all the way around the back and down your neck, because color can get messy. In the box you get a set of gloves, you get a conditioner that you should use on your hair afterwards. This is just the cream developer bottle, and then you obviously get your color. First up, what you want to do is you want to take your color and start gently squeezing it into the developer, and it does come in a tube, so I recommend that you start from the top and work your way to the bottom, ensuring you get all the color out. And then mix away for 30 seconds. Now that you have your color mixed, it's time to take your gloves out, put them on, and get started. I am confident in reporting back that they smelled wonderful. So start off by peeling the top nozzle off your squirter bottle. And yes, definitely wear gloves, or of course wipe it on your clothes. And then start applying to your hair. So what you want to do as a starting point is start applying the color to the roots of your hair, starting with your hairline. Now I know there's different ways that people do this. Some people split their hair into 4 equal sections down the middle and then across the side, and then they work on each section individually. This was way too confusing for me and my hands started to pain, so I just decided to wing it and do what I could. All I'm doing here is I'm splitting my hair down the middle so that I can work with one part of my hair at a time, and I'm going to start applying the color to my roots one side at a time. Okay, so as you can see, I'm applying color down the center part that I've made, and I didn't have a brush. The box doesn't come with a coloring brush for this, so I'm just using my fingers and gently, in a patting motion, tapping it into my hair. And then I'm sectioning off another piece of my hair, applying it down that pathway, using my fingers to gently rub it in, placing the color deeply into my roots, and then I continue this process all the way down one side of my head, and then we repeat on the other side. In order to color my entire head, I did use 2 bottles of the Garnier color. And all you can see me doing here is that I'm using a second bottle to now color the length of my hair as well as my roots. And all I'm doing is I'm sectioning my hair from the bottom upwards, and I'm taking down each section, and as I do that, I'm applying the color to the length. And then also make sure that you really massage a fair amount of color into your roots to ensure that they're colored and they don't come out looking like a different color than your upper part of your head. This color is quite conditioning and it doesn't make your hair knotty or tangled at all, but do continue to comb your hair each time you add color to it to ensure that it's being evenly distributed across the length and there's not going to be any blotchy, patchy areas. And then once you're done doing that, all you want to do is take any remainder color that you might have in the bottle, squirt it on your head and gently massage it in, making sure that you didn't miss a spot and that you don't waste any color. You've finished rubbing and massaging the color into your hair, all you want to do is tie it up in a bun and put a shower cap in to retain the heat, and then take a damp cotton pad or face cloth and gently start wiping the excess color on your skin off. And if you've used the petroleum jelly or any sort of Vaseline, it will come off relatively easily. Once you're done washing and straightening your hair, or simply just blow drying, whatever works for you, my hair is quite stubborn, so I've had to use a straightener in order to get it sleek. I'm just applying some hair oil, and this is the Lux oil from Wella Professionals, and it's a keratin protection. And all you want to do is just massage this from about the middle of your hair down to your roots. And with that, guys, we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up in the bottom bar. Please make sure you subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye. What am I doing? Why am I here? Who said I should do this? I don't even know. But now I have to take a cotton bud and try and get this shit off my face.